Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 7, chapter number 5, probability. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set. Question number 3. Event B. Now this is a continuous question from previous lecture. Event B shows a number which is multiple of 5. So B is equal to, now in a box there are 15 tickets, and from that you have to take one ticket, and so that it is what multiple of 5. So B is equal to, these are favorable outcomes from sample space S, 5, 10, 15. So n of B is equal to 3, and therefore probability of event B is equal to NB upon NS and is equal to 3 upon 15. Simply by this 1 upon 5. Okay. Question number 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, solution, first what you write down your sample space. So random experiment is what? Two dice are rolled simultaneously. So this is what important case. So your sample points are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, and so on. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 7, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, now in all there are 36 sample points, and therefore n of S is equal to 36. Then some events are given. Event A. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. So sum is equal to what? 10. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3. So all these are what? Sample points where the sum is what? At least 10. So in all there are 33 points. These are favorable outcomes from sample space S, and therefore n of A is equal to 33. So P, that is PA, that is probability of event A, is equal to 33 upon 36. Simplify this is divisible by 3, so 11 upon 12. Event B. Sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Okay. So B is what? Empty set, because maximum sum is 6 plus 6, that is 12. Okay. So 33 is not possible, and therefore B is what? Empty set. N of B is equal to 0, no elements, therefore n of B is equal to 0, and therefore probability of event B is equal to n of B upon n of S is equal to 0 upon 36, and therefore PB is equal to 0. Okay. Then event C. The digit on the first die is greater than the digit on second die. So therefore favorable outcomes are 2 1, 3 1, 3 2, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, and 6 5. Okay. Now therefore n of C is equal to 15, and therefore probability of event C is equal to n of C upon n of S, that is 15 upon 36. Simplify this, is equal to 5 upon 12. Question number 4. A two-digit number is formed with digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number form is? Okay, some events are given. Now first what you write down, sample space. So solution, random experiment, a two-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. So therefore sample space S is equal to 2, 3, 2, 5, start from what 2? 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, then start from 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 9, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 9, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 9, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 5, 9, 7. Okay, and therefore n of S is equal to 20. Event A, an odd number. So A is equal to getting what? An odd number. So 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. All these are favorable outcomes from what is for event A. So n of A is equal to 16, and therefore probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S is equal to 16 upon 20 and is equal to 4 upon 5. Event B, a multiple of 5. So favorable outcomes, write down 25, 35, 75, 95. In all there are 4 favorable outcomes, and therefore n of B is equal to 4, and therefore probability of event B is equal to n of B upon n of S is equal to 4 upon 20 and is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay. Then I will try one more example. Question number 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well-shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is, some events are given. So try to write down solution. Solution, random experiment, a card is drawn randomly from pack of 52 cards. N of S, sample space S is equal to, there are 13 heart cards, 13 diamonds card, 13 club card and 13 spade cards. So in all there are 52 cards. So therefore these are possible outcomes. So 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is equal to 52, and therefore n of S is equal to 52. Event A, an A card. So therefore favorable outcomes are Ace of heart, Ace of diamond, Ace of club and Ace of spade. So in all there are 4 S, and therefore probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S is equal to 4 upon 52 and is equal to 1 upon 13. Event B, a spade card. Now you know there are 13 spade cards and therefore favorable outcomes for event B are 13 spade cards. So therefore n of B is equal to 13 and hence even probability of event B is equal to n of B upon n of S is equal to 13 upon 52 is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.